Hello everyone, myself Dhruv Khresaria, and today I want to explain green computing architecture with a 3D simulation. So let's start. Every time you watch a video and send email or ask AI something, a data center work to serve you. There is more than 3,000 data centers in USA alone worldwide. They use 1 to 2% of electricity on Earth, with growing power use increasing very fast. Traditional data centers use electricity from fossil fuels and release a lot of heat. Their efficiency is about 1.5 to 2. This means for every 1 watt used for computing, another 1 watt is wasting on cooling. This is a problem that green computing tries to solve. What is green computing? Green computing means designing, using, disposing of computer in an environmentally friendly way. It is not one technology. It is a complete system based on three main ideas. First, energy source, where powers come from. Second, energy efficiency, how efficiency power is used. And third, thermal management, how heat is controlled. All parts in the simulation represent their three ideas working together. Uh, the topic is a reliable energy source. The most important part of a green data center is a clean energy. Solar panel converts slightly into electricity with about 20 to 23 efficiency. Wind turbines also produce electricity because sun and wind are not constant. Energy is stored in batteries for later use. And in a green mode, about 72 to 85% of energy come from a renewable source. In a traditional center, it can be less than 5%. Big companies like Google and AWS are working toward 100% clean energy. The, to- uh, the power management unit PMU is like the brain of the system. It receives electricity from solar, wind, batteries, and the grid, and sends power where it needs to control voltage, balance load, and decide whether to use reliable energy or store energy. And smart PMUs use AI to run tasks when reliable energy is available and reduce non-important tasks during peak demand. Server racks, the main computing unit, as working increase power use, the temperature also increase. This create the heat problem in computing, and the process produce heat. Traditional cooling use a large air conditioning system that consume heat energy, and the green data center use a liquid cooling which send coolant directly to hot compute like a CPU and GPU. This more efficiency than cooling the whole room. The cooling system increase coolant and reduce temperature, improving efficiency. And efficiency is a measure using three matrices: PUE, power usage effectiveness, a measure a total power used versus computing power. Is lower is better. Second one is a CUE, carbon usage effectiveness. More measure CO2 emissions, more reliable energy means lower CUE. And third one is the WUE, wastage water usage effectiveness. Measure water usage for cooling, liquid cooling, and reduce water usage. Some server use a different environmental impact. Uh, Green computing is not only about data center, it also includes energy efficiency, hardware design, smart software that avoid wastage, recycle device at the end of life. Some data centers even reuse water heat to warm nearby buildings. More facilities are switching to solar, wind, liquid cooling, and AI-based energy management. Future data centers will produce their own energy, recycle heat, and operate sustainability. That is a green computing architecture. In this screen, you can show when we increase server load and heat is increase. You can see this red date in server, and then when we decrease server load to green and the server is now cool, so that the system must green computing architecture. So thank you for watching my video.